I will leave a parts list in the description. When I went to remove the hinge point, it basically locked up inside the fender weld, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to have to go back and basically use a Dremel tool to cut it off. That's basically the nut plate behind it. When I went to unscrew it, it started going into a bind, and then it just went horribly wrong. See, there's no real rust on it, on the nuts. It's just, I think it's just a bad design. If I'd have opened up that and got access to it, maybe I could have reinforced it and it wouldn't have turned into this mess. But the screws did not come out in any way smooth. It felt like they were galling up as soon as I started trying to unscrew them. And that's what they look like. There's one screw here and one screw there. Then it comes apart. I use the M10 bolts. I'll also use Loctite on the threads.